Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about EURUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders, and then I will put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment we have a market which is testing and rejecting to the upside a quite strong historical monthly demand and support zone. In fact, from here, multiple rejections to the upside were created. And what we can see is that in all this period of many years, every single time the market tested this zone, immediately strong institutional buyers enter the market, protecting the level and creating this massive rejections to the upside. In all this period, only once the market broke below that zone, which was right here, when we had this break below, immediately break back above, and anyway the market continued then respecting this area as demand and support. So this push to the downside was actually just a fake breakout. So on the monthly, everything is quite bullish. We could expect more bullish price action to be created, and I will speak about all this institutional buying again in just a few moments when we move to the commitment of traders. But for now, let's focus here on the most recent price action. Now, if we look at the most recent price action, we can notice a clear break of structure also here. In fact, we can see how this level was acting as previous monthly resistance from which all these rejections to the downside were created. The market then broke above that zone. All that previous resistance became support here. The market is currently testing this previous resistance turn support with good probabilities of seeing bullish price action now created away from this area. Dropping down the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now, from a weekly standpoint, the situation is very clear. We can notice a break of structure. This zone here was acting as previous weekly support with this green candle created right here away from the area. The market then broke below that zone. That previous support became resistance and the market respected it as such. Then we had the break back above that zone, so that previous resistance became again support. We have good probabilities at this point to see a test of the area and rejection away, essentially confirming the break and retest of this previous resistance turn support area. So also here on the weekly, everything seems to be aligning for more bullish price action away from the area. Now, if we look at the big picture here from a weekly standpoint, what we can also notice is that we kind of have a range-bound market here. We have the top of the range here currently acting as resistance. We have the bottom of the range here currently acting as support. Now, until the market will remain in between these two levels, we can expect the market to continue to test the high and the low. The last test was of the low. We had the test, rejection to the upside. At this point, more bullish price action could be expected for the market to go and test here the high of this range. So the weekly time frame as well does seem quite bullish. Let's keep that in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Now, from a daily perspective, what we have here is this previous high currently acting as resistance. Only if the market will break above this zone, only at that point things would really get interesting, because we have to keep in mind that until the market will remain below this area, it is below the previous high. It is below resistance, below supply, with good probabilities of seeing a rejection lower. So in order to have the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames all aligning for a potential push higher, we first need to see the break above structure. That is what would make this previous area of resistance become support, and that is what after the break and retest would increase massively the probabilities inside of here to see more institutional buying. And as we know, that is when we have the highest probabilities of seeing the rejections to the upside. Now, if we move to the commitment of traders and we look at the data for the euro, we have to keep in mind that by looking at the data for the euro, we're actually already looking at euro USD. And because that is essentially how the data is already reported. And what we can see is that net positions with the last reports have increased massively. We went from minus 72K all the way up to minus 60K net positions. So essentially we're starting to see again an increase in the net positioning, even though we're still very bearish. Now, since we're starting to see this increase, so we're starting to see institutions closing their shorts, going from 277K down to 257K, it should be only a matter of time before we start to see institutions adding longs, because they are already closing shorts. Now we are at a peak low in longs. Usually when you have a peak low, then the positioning starts to build up again. So I would not be surprised at all if with the new report, we see more shorts being closed and more longs being opened on the institutional side of the market, so on the non-commercials. So let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. So if we will see this break and retest, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market here shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market if we see this break and retest and then create a rejection to the upside. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.